Hi guys, Mimz here and welcome back. In today's video, I will give a tour of my desk and office space and unbox the latest Webex workspace products. My company, like many recently, went full remote, meaning we have a work from home policy. I personally love this, but I needed to refresh my office space to be more productive versus relaxing.
Here is my office space / guest room. First thing you see is my desk. It's a simple desk, but long enough to fit all of my devices. I have my PC on the left, dual monitors and monitor stands, my keyboard, my mouse, and of course my Mimz Secretary mousepad. I like to keep my desk clutter-free. The only other thing I have on here is my pencil holder with some thumb drives and my printer. Moving on, here is the guest bed that is usually occupied by my dogs, a bobblehead shelf, and my closet. On the other wall, I have my network rack, which will be used as my home lab and central hub for all smart home devices. Really excited about that. Next, I have a dresser, my heater, and another shelf that holds other tech tools and gadgets. Notice that the TV is behind my desk, so it prevents me from watching it.
Another thing I needed to do to prep for a work-from-home environment is update the workspace equipment. With daily meetings being virtual, you need quality equipment to communicate, especially when delivering a presentation or guiding a training session. Today's video is sponsored by Webex.
Webex is a leading provider of cloud-based collaboration solutions, which includes video meetings, calling, messaging, events, and customer experience solutions.
Webex so graciously sent me 2 workspace products, so naturally I thought it'd be fun to share them with you all. So let's go to my favorite break area and unbox these products.
Alright, here I have 2 of Webex's latest workspace products. So the first one we're going to unbox is the desk camera. So here's how it looks inside, a little description. Alright, let's put this down. So here is the actual webcam. Taking it out of the plastic. There it goes.
This is a 4K Ultra HD webcam with the intelligence to improve video quality in various light conditions. It offers a high-quality microphone with noise reduction and is compatible with all popular meeting and video applications. This desk camera can clip onto your monitor or laptop, and it includes both USB C-to-A and USB C-to-C cables.
Awesome! I can't wait to plug it in and give it a go. Alright, so the second product are these headphones, the 730s. Unbox these. It comes with an awesome case right here, so let me put this down. Check these out.
This Bluetooth headset connects to 2 devices simultaneously and has the clear voice technology to produce crystal clear audio. It also allows you to switch between noise cancellation to focus in any environment and ambient to easily collaborate with others. Built with smart sensors, these headphones automatically play and pause music, answer calls, or mute your microphone with contextual movement.
Okay, excited to start using this. Let's go inside and plug these in.
Alright, so both products are now installed. Here is the Webex desk camera and all drivers are installed. And here is the Cisco headset 730. Dongle's already plugged in, so we are ready to roll. Oh, hold on one second. I'm getting a call. Hey! So nice to get a call from you!
I'd like to inform you that our water bill is running quite low. We request that you fill it up immediately. You are responsible after.
Okay, I'm working right now. I'll be down in a couple of hours.
Bull? Bull, did I just hear bull? Hey, our food bowls are empty. You should probably fill those up too. We're getting a little hungry.
Guys, I filled up the bowls before I came upstairs to work.
Well, what up, Holmes? Chicky, you should just leave work early and take us to the park. We wanna go play.
Yes, that's
Did I
a
just hear
splendid
bark?
idea.
Okay, guys, I gotta get back to work. I'll be down in a couple hours. Be good
I
boys,
insist.
okay?
That was weird.
Mima, I have an Ozzy, Scruffy, and Neven at the front desk. They won't leave until they can speak with you.
Okay, let him in.
You want one? You want one? You want one? Go! Go! You whiny? Oh! Here you go, bud.
Yay! Go boys! Alright guys, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed my desk and office tour and special guest appearance from my pups, Ozzy, Scruffy, and Neven. Big thank you to Webex for sponsoring this video. If you like the Webex products, I will leave the links down below so you can go check them out. As always, stay safe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.